And last but not least, the Run the Jewels collab. These came out in April, I believe, or maybe July. I don't know. I had to go get them aftermarket. They weren't too bad aftermarket. They're actually going for a little bit lower than what I paid for them, which sucks. But it's fine. I got them both. But the I like the pink pony hair high over the low. I don't understand why dunk low highs, get so much disrespect. I do like dunk highs. They're cool. It's a shoe. It's weird. Jordan 1 highs get more respect than Jordan 1 lows for the most part. And then mids, nobody wants any of those. I just don't understand why. It's weird. Middle children never get love. Anyway, yeah, the pink pony hair, that Nike swoosh on there, very dope. Shout out to Killer Mike for a dope album this year. Hopefully you get a Grammy or something for that. And now I'm just gonna go jump right into my list because I've been talking for about 16 minutes, and